The best investing apps for beginners. Investing is one of the most effective ways to take control of your finances. Not only does it help you to diversify your income, but grows your wealth in the longer run. However, if you are a beginner and want to start your investing journey, finding the best way can be intimidating. Also, the number of robo-advisor and stock trading options has consistently increased in the last few years. And because of that, the competition is increased, although innovation is also a great thing for investors. But now it has become a challenge to decide which platform is best for you or suitable for your expectations. To help evaluate the best options available in the market, we have compiled some of the best investing apps for beginners. Stick around, as we will be discussing the best investing apps that are great for investing, especially if you are a beginner. Well, the best investing apps in the video are dedicated to pretty much all types of investment strategies for every skill level. So, whether you are a beginner ready to make your first investment, or you are an experienced investor looking to expand your investment portfolio, these apps are going to make many of your financial actions easier and more accessible. Mainly, these apps focus on several features, including UI/UX, data information, and most importantly, risk management. Here are some of the best investing apps for beginners. Number 1. Wealthbase. The first investing app is an investment simulation app known as Wealthbase. This app is perfect for beginners who are trying to learn the ropes of investing with their friends. You will be able to make stock trades and can exchange cryptocurrency with this app. And also, you can keep an eye on your friends' fees to know how they are doing with their investments. The purpose of Wealthbase is to provide a greater and more comfortable feature for trading and selecting stocks. Its social component makes the whole process more fun and provides an enjoyable experience while investing and discussing all the options with others. That's why Wealthbase is very popular among beginners, as they find it an amazing platform for not only investing, but also learning without thinking much about the risks of making initial investments. Number 2. Robinhood. Well, this app is one of the most popular and well-known apps when it comes to trading and investing. Not just that, it is one of the first apps to provide stock trading, that too without any commission or fee, making the stock portfolio building interesting and very much attractive for first-time investors. Currently, many apps are providing this same feature. However, Robinhood still outplays other apps for some reasons. It includes letting investors trade cryptocurrency without any fees or charges. Also, it does not have a minimum account balance limit and does not impose any inactivity fee. The user-friendly interface of the Robinhood app allows it to stand out among other web-based platforms. However, with these amazing features, some things are considered the drawbacks of Robinhood, as it cannot be synced with a retirement account and provides limited customer support. Still, its outstanding user interface and the best fee structure make it one of the best stock market apps and a great option for beginners as well. Number 3. Investor. Another best option and a great app for beginners is Investor, as it is popular for its fantasy gameplay while enabling investors to play with $1 million in fake cash so that they can learn how investing in stocks works without putting their money at risk. Investor is best for the people who are a novice and want to experience how to manage an investment portfolio before they start investing. Not only that, this investing app has a great community of active investors and also has a newsfeed for the latest updates to help investors learn more about investing and managing their portfolios. Along with that, Investor provides real cash prizes if you have successful gameplay. Its portfolio management simulation is exceptional, and it provides fractional shares in stocks. And its interactive gameplay allows users to access specialized education material related to investments. Number 4. Elvest. Elvest is another great option for investors specifically who are looking to choose a socially minded portfolio. It allows its members access to a wide range of professional financial help. This app is famous for its highly rated robo-advisor, and it mainly focuses on investments that positively impact women, as it provides portfolios that are intended toward impact funds or firms with female leadership, community services, and sustainable business practices, as it allows you to review different options and put your money in companies that are focused on the objectives similar to Elvest. Number 5. Ally. A next app, Ally, is also an awesome option for people who are interested in starting their investing journey. It allows you to invest in bonds and stocks by integrating real-time data, enabling users to trade anytime from anywhere. Ally Investing option also provides users access to mutual funds, ETFs, and bonds. It also does not have a minimum investment requirement. It also does not have the requirement of additional downloads to access the trading platform, which surely makes it a user-friendly app. On top of that, it does not have a fee on options trades and eligible stocks. Featuring an option pricing calculator, however, Ally may have some transaction fees according to the type of investment. Offering email, chat, and quick customer support to help users instantly so that they do not face any problems while investing. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 6. Stash. This is another great app and among the best apps for beginners who are looking to learn the ropes of investing quickly. It merges the educational content and some games to make the complex financial topics simple and easier to learn. You will also be able to customize your objectives based on what you want to focus on at the moment and can actively track your progress. Stash allows you to work with the value-based investment offerings by providing important suggestions to build your strong portfolio. Additionally, Stash provides these features with a minimum investment of $5, but this fee can range from $1 to $9 a month. The educational support is also a plus, and it provides an option to invest in ETFs and stocks. Furthermore, this app does not contain any inactivity fees and provides visualization tools for your investment decisions. Number 7. Acorns. The next app is Acorns. It is an amazing investment app for people who are just starting, as it is specifically helpful if you want to boost your savings and invest without paying too much heed to it. Acorns can easily be integrated with your debit or credit card, and it automatically collects and adds funds to an investment account. It also enables you to invest in some fractional shares in stocks and ETFs. In addition, it offers 3 tiers which include personal, light, and family, enabling users to add extra accounts for a premium rate. There are some other key features that Acorns provides its users with no investment minimums, with automatic rebalancing and 5 portfolio types. As mentioned, it also provides a feature for family spending accounts with 24-hour customer support via live chat or phone. With all these features, this app costs $1 to $5 per month, depending on the type of account. Number 8. Fundraise. This is also a great investing app if you are interested in investing in real estate. Well, investing in this sector is not an accessible industry to invest in easily, courtesy of its high price of investment. However, Fundraise provides a unique and great low-fee model that changes the real estate investing game. Also, it opens more opportunities for beginners who are looking to invest in real estate. This app has a friendly user interface that allows you to create an account in minutes, and it also does not have a minimum limit of low investment. After creating your account, you can sit back and let the Fundraise app diversify your portfolio for you. There is a minimum fee for annual advisory and asset management from 0.15% to 0.85%. It also provides varying minimums for other account types. Number 9. Betterment. Betterment is the best option for beginners, designed to assist them in reaching their goals. This app is perfect for newbies because it takes care of everything related to your investment. Whether it's about handling your money, investing, trading, or automatically rebalancing your portfolio. Also, if you don't want to put your time into investing, then Betterment is a better option for you, as it will handle everything for you in its premium plan. It offers its basic and a premium plan, which charge from 0.25% to 0.4% respectively. Also, there is no limit on the minimum balance in its basic plan. If you want to do hands-off investing and looking for a goal-oriented platform, then Betterment is the best investing app for you. Number 10. SoFi Invest. SoFi Invest is another popular app when it comes to investing. This app is perfect for all types of experience levels. Also, beginners can simply opt for automated investing and let the app do its job. As a beginner, you also get the freedom to diversify your portfolio by selecting between stocks, ETFs, and crypto. SoFi Investments also offers economical prices, and you can start trading with as low as $1, that too without any commission. In addition, there are no fees and no requirement for a minimum balance, offering affordable trading with a great user-friendly platform and fractional share options. Moreover, this app also does not cost anything for financial planning. With an investment app, you can invest in a more accessible thing for you, especially as a beginner. We would highly recommend it if you are just starting to go for apps with low minimums and economical fee structures. Like, you can choose Ally and Acorns and start investing with your extra money directly from your smartphone. The other apps, like Investor, allow you to learn things about an investment before you get started with your own money. Furthermore, these features provided by investing apps help you to learn to invest without the assistance of a financial advisor, spend a lot of time studying, and risk your income. But keep in mind, the key is to choose the best app that is compatible with your investing requirements, and your strategy is the best option to start your investing journey. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.